Alright, let's go. Looking... Got anything here? Is that connection? Let's go. Are we good? We're good. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Guess we just start then. How am I gonna do this again? Here it is. Did this save? It did. No, it didn't. Maybe it did. I don't know. Oh yeah, I got rid of W, is it? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna try and stop coughing. Actually, I'm gonna get a cough drop real quick. I'll be right back. That way, I'm not coughing every 3.4 seconds.
The game design. I would like it to follow the player. To do that, we need to add a new node.
Well, real quick, I'm actually gonna get the chat working so I can see that at all times. Oop.
To the scene, right-click on the main node and add a child called camera 2D.
I was not paying attention. Dynamic camera. Alright.
Making our game more dynamic. So far the camera is not moving at all, which limits us in the game design. I would like it to follow the player. To do that, we need to add a new node to the scene. Right-click on the main node and add a child called camera 2D. What it does is that instead of having a fixed viewable area, now it's controllable. I will make it a child of our character and drag this little camera pointer to the character center. Now when I run the game, you...
Hello. That's background music, not me. My bad. So wait, now I can drag this character, and if I press play, does it automatically work? Whoa, cool. I do like that. That'll be good. Cool.
You can see that our character is always in the center and the camera follows it. Great. I will now make two modifications. First, I'd like this background to be pure black. Go to the...
One sec, sorry bro. I got to come to the tile map real quick. And grab this guy. There we go. There we go. Sorry.
Project settings, then find environment in the rendering section and change this clear color much better. And the second thing, I would like to make our camera a bit...
Yeah, one sec, sorry. Boom. That looks so cool. Let's go. Nice.
Find the camera in the nodes and in the inspector turn on position smoothing. That already made a huge difference, but you can still tweak the speed of it. Higher values still gets us back to nearly instant following, while small values make the camera very sluggish. For me, the best compromise is a value 7. And that's it for the camera.
Actually, sorry, one sec, bro. I'm just gonna see what I like. Whoop. The camera thing. My bad. Alright, let's see. 7? Do we like 7? Yeah, I guess. Sounds good. I don't know why his character is so jittery. It's kind of hurting my eyes. This is 2 though. Alright, well, whatever. Oh, yeah. I get that.
Intel Core i5 14400 processor.
Thank you.
Let's move on to the collectibles. Just like in Mario where you collect coins, I'd like to place on our scene some objects for the player to collect. What's more, we're
That's fair.
gonna count the number of the collected objects.
That's gonna be good.
Displayed on the screen. Again, I'll be using this awesome pack with platformer graphics. You can find a link for it in the description. In the fruits folder, I
think I need to download this pack. Although I think I already have it, but maybe I don't. That's the wrong thing. Alright, whatever. I'll just download this and then get on with it. Right then. Oh, you know what? I'll just do what is it? It's freaking thinking of the thing that plays the chat out loud. Speech chat. There we go. Thank you. Let's get this working real quick. And then test this out.
Hello /.
There we go. I think we're good there. Now I don't have to worry about the chat. That's cool.
found this cherry.
Ooh, wait. Files, and then I need to extract that. Boop. Alright. And we need, he's doing cherries, so I think I'm going to as well. Okay, this is just the same thing as before, but that's fine. I like oranges. I'll go with oranges.
Image. Let's import it to Godot. Similarly as with the player, we need to create a new node that...
Wait, where'd it go? Oh, I knew that in res. Sorry, bro. Not scenes. And then orange. Yeah, cool.
will hold our cherry on the scene, but this time search for area 2D. I will add a graphic and a collider as a
Area 2D.
called animated sprite 2D. Create new sprite frames. In the editor at the bottom, click add frames from sprite sheet and select our newly imported cherries. Here we need to split them to
Okay,
reflect the
wait, what? One second, bro.
cherries.
Going a little
Area
fast.
2D. I will add a
Yep,
graphic and
I did that.
collider. As a recap, create a child node called animated sprite 2D. Create
Yep.
new sprite frames.
Okay. New sprite frames. And
In the editor at the bottom,
yeah. So, I want this. Thank you.
click add frames from sprite sheet and select our newly imported
Yep.
cherries. Here we need to split them to reflect the correct number of images, and finally select all.
So apparently there's 17 images. Should be one. Yeah. There we go. Phew! I skipped some. Here. There we go. And then if I play this, can I even see it? I guess I can. I think this should be set to 15 maybe? Even 30. 10? I don't know. I'll see what he sets it to.
Create animation keyframes. That way, now we have an animation that we can speed up, enable autoplay, and resize the image to match the rest of the scene. As you can see, the cherry looks a bit blurry. To fix that set texture filter
Yep.
nearest. Before we can move it, let's also add
Let's go. Collision shape 2D. And circle.
Bad aim. In Jinx II voice.
Okay. That doesn't work. I'm not, that's really. Thanks for that. Oh, you made your,
My mom.
bro. It's an orange.
Give it a circle shape and resize it. To put a cherry on top,
Where's the animation go? It's really convenient that you're not playing.
Ha 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 69 funny. Ah ha 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 ha.
Idiot. Transform rotation. Thank you. -90.
let's rename this node to
Not bad.
collectible. Now we only need to create a subscene out of it. Do you remember how to do it? I'll give a second for you to check it out yourself.
Yep, say branch a scene, collectible. Cool.
Hey, got a second? I'm
No.
gonna show you how I got the flexibility to code, create, and experiment.
I'm good. Thank you.
Alright, so to create a subscene, all we need to do is to right click on the area 2D and select Save Branch as Scene. Preferably, place it in the Scenes folder
Oh, it didn't read your super.
the scene, and from the file system,
Oh. I got scared when you did that. Scenes. Collectible. Does this go inside of scenes? Yes, it does. Collectible. Oh, cool. Now I can just do that.
drag out collectible to play.
Alright, cool. And then I just want to do this, but like I want to make it bigger. Scale 2. And then boop, save and close. And then does that work? And I don't think it did anything, but it's fine. I'm gonna drag a bunch of these over here.
Place it anywhere on the map. You can repeat that process a few times to design your level however you like. Now we
Yep.
have this nice level with a few cherries placed in different.
Let's see, does this work? Cool. Oh, great. AirPods died. One of them. Guess we'll switch to headphones then? Maybe? Right. Let's see here. This. I don't think it'll work because I don't hear anything. Oh, it's because it's muted.
Sold.
Okay,
69 he.
bruh. The real Foxcraft. Hello, I guess. I haven't seen you before.
Places. But as you can see, our our character does not collect them just yet.
Well, now,
We'll
but
get
because
back
we didn't
to
do anything
that
to it.
in a second. In the meanwhile, I'd like to resolve another problem. You might have already tried to resize the window. Unfortunately, that breaks the background and does not
Colby?
resize
Yeah,
the level
that's right.
objects.
That's
Now,
definitely right.
how to fix it. First, the background. What we can do is to click on the background image, change the anchor preset right here to the top left, and
Oh, I set the wrong anchor point. My bad.
manually resize it to fill the whole screen. That way we resolved one problem, but I would still like our whole game to zoom in on screen resize. To do that, go to project settings, select window section, and
What?
here in the stretch mode, select canvas items. Switching that one option already changes the behavior of the
Alright, let's see. Does this do what his does? Oh, cool. That's, I guess, neat. I guess, maybe. I don't know why he's so pixelated. Well, obviously he's pixelated, but like, his movement is weird.
window resizing. You
Don't
can
know.
experiment more with those settings. For example, right now we have black bars when the window does not have 16:9 aspect ratio. You can change that to
That's cool.
only have black bars horizontally or vertically. Totally turn off aspect ratio and stretch the whole game to the window size.
I'm not
Or,
seeing enough
which is, in my
movement.
opinion,
What is that supposed to mean?
in the best option, select expand mode. That resizes the whole game but gives it a bit more game view even if the window does not match 16:9 ratio. Now you know how to resize.
So wait, what do I just... I'll just do keep then. So then play, does it... Can I gain a competitive advantage? Nope. Cool.
Size your game window. Great.
I got another stamp
Great for you so far.
that makes me happy.
You like. Thank you. Let's get back to collectibles. I would like to remove them when player gets nearby.
Fair.
Keep track of the player's score. Let's start with the first one. Go to the collectible scene, just double click it in the file system, right click on the root node and attach a new script. We'll leave the name collectible. Here we need to detect if anything is entering the collider. We won't need the ready and process functions, but instead we'll use the built-in signal. In the top right hand corner, click the Node tab and here find body entered signal. This is some sort of a trigger that runs when anything touches our cherry. Double click on it and click
Wait, body entered what?
the Node tab and here find body entered signal.
Body entered. Yeah.
That automatically created a new function called onBodyEntered. The only thing we want to do here is to destroy this collectible. To destroy object in Godot, just type qui.
I like video games.
Save the script.
Me too.
Reminder, all cherries on the
Huh? I do. Yes. Okay, you didn't give me enough time.
Just type qui free. Save the script.
Yeah? One sec. Alright, I'm back.
As a reminder, all cherries on the screen will now be updated.
Oh, okay. I just want to free, please. And
This logic thanks to the subscene.
now let's see.
Now when you enter the collectible collision shape, it will
Dope.
disappear. Try it out with
Yahoo!
other cherries. But there is one small issue. You might have noticed that some of the cherries immediately disappeared on the game start. In my case, there are only 2 of them, but in your case, there might be even more. The issue is that those cherries collide with the ground and immediately destroy themselves. To fix that, we need to
That actually makes sense. Mine don't do that though. So
in the collectible script,
better.
just type if body.name double equals the name of our player node. So in my case,
Fine, I'll do it. Body dot name equals
just character body to
character body to be
B, then qui free. In the last video, I haven't mentioned that you need to keep your code tidy with all the required indentations. Thank you for pointing that out in the comments. So also in this case, remember that the qui free needs to be indented. Use style
I did know that.
to do that so that the code
I haven't forgotten everything.
like you can see on the screen.
What is this ad?
Now when I run the game, even cherries placed near the ground are properly displayed and disappear only when touched by the player. Great! Now let's move on to the second part, keeping track of the point score. For now, let's get back to the main scene. Here, right-click on the root node and create a child of a basic node type. I will rename it as Game Manager. Then attach a script to it. I will
No, 1 second.
it also Game Manager, but with a different format to match Godot standards. Created. Our goal is to create a game manager that will hold all the important information about our level and player program.
Okay.
Each time a cherry will be collected,
Be quiet.
it will send a signal to it so that we'll be able to properly count points value.
Cool.
At the top of the script, let's create a variable that will hold points. Type var points equals 0. Then let's create a function called addPoint that will simply increment points by 1 and then print the current value of the points to the console. Just like that. Now we need to call this function from inside the collectible script. Godot has this great mechanic that allows to expose other scene scripts. To do that, right-click on the game manager and click
I didn't quite get this yet. Okay. Print. Wait. Thank you. Plus equals 1.
Just like that. Now we need to call this function from inside the collectible script. Godot has this great mechanic that allows to expose other scene objects to the scripts. To do that, right-click on the game manager and click Access as Unique Name. Finally, do as follows.
Wait, what? Where's that? Oh, there it is.
In the script Godot section, while being on the main scene tab, go to collectible script.
Yep.
That way we can now start dragging our game manager to the collectible script, and just before letting go, hold the control key on your keyboard. That should create this variable called game manager. Now in the onBody entered, inside the if statement we can type game manager dot add point. That way we completed the link. Now when you enter the collectible, it disappears, and in the Godot console you can see a total number of the player points.
Alright, does that work? Or do I need to have a colon? I feel like I need a colon.
And now in the
I don't.
onBody entered, inside the if statement we can type game. Now when you enter the
I do need that. Okay. Let's see here. Yay, it works. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice.
Selectable, it disappears, and in the Godo console you can see a total number of the player points. That is great progress, congrats! Obviously, presenting player score in the console is not ideal, but we'll get back to that in just a second. In the
Alright then.
meanwhile, I'd like to start working on a level design.
Alright.
Now that we have a dynamic camera, we are no longer limited to the window size. I'd like to make a scrollable level that will go towards right and have a finish point. To do that, we need to meet again with our old friend, tile map. Select it on the main scene and let's make some changes. I will first use the eraser tool to remove the right wall and then the line tool to extend both the ground and the ceiling of our level. Don't forget to add back the end wall. Finally, click on the background and extend it to
1 second. Not there yet. Then you can go here. You can go along here. And then just to make it look nice. There you go. And then, nope. Texture, this thing. Drag it along. Thank you, time map. I guess we're doing more stuff then. That's stupid. Why is that even there? We'll have it there, but just lower. That way you can actually get to it. Thank you very much. And then as well as this, right? Okay. That looks fine-ish. There we go.
feel the end of the level. Collectibles have dominated.
Oh my god, he actually made like a lot of stuff. I'm gonna not be that advanced. I'm just gonna have like, what's he at the end?
Collectibles. Click on the background. Alright, here is what I created. I'll no type.
Okay, so I'm just gonna have like boom, boom, boom. We'll go with something here and then here, as well as like a little thing here, here, and here. And then I'll just like make it look better now. We'll go with one of these here, right into this. Oh wait, that's not gonna work. Shoot. Okay. I guess that's just not gonna happen. We can do this though. No, we can't. Here. There you go. You get a little.
Looks like Mario.
It's kind of what it is in a way. It's not gonna look like that in the end. This is me relearning it right now. I'm not actually making the actual, like, I don't know how to use it. So I'm just learning how to use it right now. Boop. Ooh. Kind of like that.
Oh, skill issue.
Bruh. Okay, and then boom, dirt. Should I do that there? No, I shouldn't. I should make that look right though. As well as elevate it a bit. It's just that should be fine. It's that, and then I'm gonna go with some.
Okay, I have to go put my bed to sleep.
You have to go put your bed to sleep? Do you want to explain? Is that a no? You don't want to explain? Yeah, this is just gonna be a wall here, and then I'll fix this because it looks bad. Brr. Nope. Nope. This, I guess. I guess this would be this, and then yeah, that's fine. And then I gotta add some fruit, some collectibles. Oh wait. Why can't I do it now? Do I just have to be on node? Do I have to be on tile map? Huh?
Finally, I will call it a collectibles group.
Yeah, I had a feeling you would want to make that. Create, this is gonna have all of you guys in it. Okay, that's cool that my Snapchat notifications show up on stream. That's really cool. I'm gonna rename this to collectibles. There we go. And then if I'm on this, can I just how do I add collectibles again? Oh my gosh. I'll look at it in a second. Window resets, placing collectibles. Yes, how do I do this again?
Scene. Preferably, place it in different places. You can repeat that process a few times.
Wait, wait, what? Why isn't that working now? Oh, I'm trying to drag out the wrong thing. Boop. Boop. That boop. 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 And boop. Alright, let's test this out. See how this works now. Okay, you could also just show me the game as well. Oop. Let's see, so I should be able to get these 9, okay. And then, oh wait, can I get up there now? Yes, I can. Let's go. Okay, I thought it broke it. Okay, that's annoying. Weird. I'm just gonna not deal with that problem right now. And come to texture, I'm just gonna move this guy over. Try that again. So I should be able to get the base 8 here. 7, 8. Yeah, unless I missed one. Oop. Great. Okay, I missed that jump. I'm sure I can get to it later, right? There we go. Oh, great. You actually have to go back. That's kind of good though, because like it needs to be difficult. Ish. That's impossible. That's just not a possible thing to do. Do I just move it all down by one? I mean, I guess. And then tile map. Oh, great. More. Yeah, collectibles. Thank you. And tile map. Then I'm going to. I like the gray better. Bruh. Alright, let's see, is this possible now? I know the other ones are, so I'm just gonna skip across this section here. And then miss that jump, which is cool. Cool. Dope. I knew I could do that. Yeah, this is still good. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Maybe? Maybe if I get rid of that one tile there. Place it for that. Maybe then. Actually showed up on top this time. That's cool. Like that. Yeah, no, you can't do that. That's understandable. Okay, now this is possible. Cool. Neat.
That will
Stupid ad.
contain not animated sprite with trophy graphic. Will create a sort of a group, and because it won't package, I found this
Okay.
key. The last thing I like to do is to create a finish point where our player needs to reach. In the graphics package, I found
I'm
this
just gonna get
end
rid of all
check,
these.
which should be useful. Now, please pause the video and try to
I guess I'm pausing the video to do what?
create a new area 2D.
That first, a area 2D with a sprite 2D.
Collision shape 2D.
Yeah, and then vision shape 2D. Create.
And all of that packed in a subscene.
Yeah, okay, so let's go here. Inspector, sorry, texture. Shape. Collision shape, we'll figure that out in a second. I have to import another photo. Points, maybe. And idle, maybe. Yeah, that looks right. And then I'll just dupe. Not dupe it, but you know what I mean. And then, yeah, we're gonna go with a square. And bring that over here. Let's line that up. Edges, bottom. And then back to the sprite, texture, nearest. Cool. And then I can. No, I don't know what to do. Oop, nope. There we go. It seems right. Not animated, and then make a subscene. Nope. I'm going to rename finish. There we go. And bring this to the end here. Oop.
Try it yourself.
Yeah, I did that.
2D, make it a bit.
Yep.
We'll add the script to finish the game later on. A final touch, trophy.
Ooh.
We'll group all scene elements into a new group that will be background, tile map, our character, collectible group, and finished trophy. I will call it simply scene objects. Great.
Okay, so wait, we're going boom, 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 and
Position.
1 second.
That's it. We'll add the script to finish the game
Okay.
later on. A final touch.
And
All scene elements into a new group that will be background, tile map, our character, collectible group, and finished
ooh, collectible group. And
trophy. I will call it
renaming to what?
simply scene objects.
So, that's cool. I'll do that. Objects. There we go.
We've made our game way more interesting for the user. Later on, we'll also create another playable level and switch between them. If you
That's cool.
enjoy learning game development with me, subscription to Code will be much
I
appreciated.
did do that.
Now let's go back to counting.
Ooh, wait.
Our feed that is displayed in the
Ow.
console, which is
funny.
not great at all. Let's create a simple user interface that will display this value. To create a UI that will be placed always on top of the screen, we need to create a new node of a type canvas layer. That will be our UI group, so let's rename it. Inside of it, I'd like to place a simple panel that will be used as a background to the points text. I will make it a bit bigger by simply resizing it. Also, it would be great if this panel would always stick to the top left-hand corner of the screen. To do that, let's use the anchor preset. Press the small green icon up here and select top left preset. Then slightly move it from the edge. You can now preview the behavior that no matter how big the window is, it always stays in the corner. Great.
Except I can't see it.
Now let's add text. Create a new panel's child node and search for label. This time we'd like to resize it to fill the full size of the parent, our panel. To do that, let's again use anchor presets, but this time select full rect. Now, no matter what is the size of the panel, you may want to resize it later, the label will also cover its full space. Enter any text for now, like points 0, and rename the node to points label.
Wait, huh? 1 sec. Points 0, and then oh, there it is. I see it now. Okay. Nice. Ooh, it's ugly, but figure it out. Ooh, wait. Center and center. Thank you.
Quick style changes. I will change both horizontal and
I already knew.
vertical
I'm too good.
to center and make the text a bit bigger. The easiest way to theme overrides and change font size to 30. Of course, you can customize a lot of different designs.
Actually, that's not bad.
To learn more about UI, check out my other video where you can learn how to change text size,
Might do that.
font, and modify panel design in other fun ways.
Might do
We're
that.
gonna stick with this design for now, it works quite well for our project.
Okay.
Time to connect the label with the actual points value. Go to Game Manager script. Now is the challenge for you. Pause the video and try to create a reference to the points label in the script.
Hello.
Ooh, hi. Texas, USA flags. Hello. How are you?
Looking to upgrade your gaming setup?
Freaking ad.
Get a good deal? Intel is partnering with Amazon to bring you lots of good.
Alright, it's quite and
I
because
did it. I'm smart. Ooh, I should rename this to points label. Points label dot text.
text needs to be a string, not a number.
My bad.
We need to convert it like that. When I run the game, you can see that after collecting cherries, points label changed. I forgot to add the text. We can simply fix that by
I do believe that's how you do it. Don't know what that means. Don't know what that means, but okay. Oh, it doesn't like it.
by typing points in quotation marks, just like that.
Ah, plus.
Now our game works perfectly, and I think that you definitely
I think I should refresh it. Points. Oh. Oh no. What happened? Boom. Oh, that's fine. Let's try that again. Next, try it again, maybe. Well, let me go ahead and put a colon space here. There we go. Boom. Look at that. What a beautiful, beautiful sight. Not sure if he doesn't currently do anything. I don't think, right? Let's see. Nah, it doesn't do anything. Alright.
deserve
Cool.
a new UI stamp. You will get one more later on. Now let's get back to some level design and create a second stage in our game. That will be a completely separate file with different platforms, design and length. Start everything from scratch, but the easiest way would be to just find our current main scene in the file system and duplicate it. I will call it level. Level 2 and rename
And we're just going to duplicate as level 2.
the current main scene as level 1. Move both
And then rename
scenes to the scenes folder. Now
both the scenes folder.
open our newly created level 2 and let's start to clean
We should probably get out of the script editor then.
up. I will go to tileset, select the rectangle tool, eraser and clear all the platforms.
That scares me.
Also remove all the collectibles and add them back.
That scares me. Rectangle. Loop and Yeesh. Okay, so we are still good, but it's a little scary.
Later, time for the epic time-lapse of how I designed my level.
Why can't I get rid of it? We're still... Yeah, oop. And finish, okay. I guess I have to do this for now. I feel like that's kind of boring though. I don't know, level design's kind of the boring part, if you ask me. Right, guess we're going to background and we'll do... What do we want to do? Let's do blue or green. No, because I don't like the green. Purple maybe? And then instead of this, we go with purple, if I can find it. And purple goes in this. And this becomes purple. If I can find it. There we go. Boom. Nice. And then this can become... So wait, let me just tile map real quick and just see what these textures look like. We're still on eraser, that's why. Oh, that's cool. Not what I want. I don't want that. I just want that. Can I just... Which one is it? Which one is it gonna be that makes it work? There we go. Alright. Guess we could do... So I think about it here. This all... Just be this, right? Alright, and then this... It's here. This goes all along here. Oop. I'm gonna put it here as well. Or I guess I could do yes. Right. Oop. There we go. And he's just building a level, so we're gonna do that as well. I think I want to have starting platform be like that. Boop. 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 I'm gonna take some creative liberties and slightly copy off his a bit, maybe. Perhaps. And then we got this going on here. And then this, ooh, this could be like a cave. That's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea. Nice. Do I have to do this in that case, I guess? Yeah. And that again. Alright. There we go. Boop. 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 Yep. And this. There we are. There we go. Kind of want it to stick out here a little bit though, so I'm just gonna do that. Except that doesn't work how I want it to. Yes, it does. Similar. Exactly how I want it to work. Alright. There's that, and then we'll go with maybe some of these. Go with, honestly, might just do a smaller one underneath it. With a the winning zone being like this here. I can do this whole thing again. Ooh, wait, I like that. Because then it can be like another little zone. Okay, cool. And then I just gotta make that work. I'm running out of background music, and that's a little scary. I guess I could find more, but yeah, it's still scary. Alright, boom. I think I want this whole little thing in here to be dark. It's not gonna work though. Just realized because how this works. Boop. 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 Please stand by as I figure out how I did this before. Alright, then instead of that, we just do this. Yep. We need to have this little bit stick out here. So we do that. Nope, that, and then boop. Okay. It's not looking too bad, except that's 1, 2. It needs to be too high opening, in my opinion. I think it needs to do that. It doesn't look good. What if I have it stick out one more? Which I can then do this. Because I feel like that's better. That seems better. Okay, and then this here, that there, and then this. Yeah, simple level, I think, but I think it's cool. I'll do another one of these platforms though. Here and right here, that way they can get to the next one. Maybe. Ooh, but if you fall down, then you can't go back up. Alright, let me just do this. Nope, right there. Okay, and then this here. And then if I just like I'll just remove the top one there. And then I think that's good. Can I test it? Or is it gonna break? Oh, yeah, because we're still on the first level. It makes sense. Alright, well, let's get back to the video here.
It is
I got crispy, really creamy.
Chocolatey. Is that hazelnut?
Life gets bueno. Learning computer science on brilliant.org means going
Stupid
beyond
ads.
to explore concepts like how
important to test. Whoa, alright, this is my final effect. As you could see, it is important to test out different design along the way because there might be some platforms that players are unable to reach. To change which scene will be launched on the game start, click on Level 2 Scene and select Set as Mine Scene.
Okay, that's helpful because I couldn't figure that out. Oh. Whoa, okay. Then how do I fix that? Tiles, is it? Oh, I just select the ones that I want to be collisions, right? Because I gotta like, how do I set the collision thing though? Process? Nope. Material. Collision, nope. How do I do the collisions again?
To modifications, I've used a new background, just import an image to the assets and
See if it
select
tells me.
background sprite. And secondly, I also use different tiles. You might have a problem where your character doesn't collide with the floor and
Yeah.
flies off the screen. This is because the collision hasn't been set for those tiles.
Yeah, I know.
To tile set,
Tile set, paint. Tile set, paint. Collision. Physics layer.
paint, physics layer, and then just click on the tile.
Okay, but there's no tiles here for me to look at to paint. Now, why isn't that working? It's because I'm not actually looking at it. Okay, thank you. That would make more sense. Now let's see. Does it work? I don't know. Okay, it does. Cool. There's that. Can I get up there? No, I can't. Okay. That was very fast. I'm just gonna do that then. Dang it. tile map. And I'll do another one right here. Okay, boop. I don't like hitting my head on that, but there's that. Right. Boop. 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 We're good there. Can I not get through there? Dang it. Try this again. Alright, let me just make sure these jumps are still possible. Yeah. I don't think these ones are gonna be. Yeah, no. That's unfortunate, I guess. Do that, and then come back here to our good buddy. You, not that, and then does this work? Do we think this is gonna work? No. Are we gonna try it anyway? Yeah. Boop. Boop. 0.0. Oh no. Okay. We're good.
Tiles until all of them have blue themes. I'm sure you also did a great job with your design. Add me on Twitter with screenshots or videos of your levels. Now the only problem is that we can't access both of the levels when starting the game.
Yeah.
That's why we need to add a new scene. Main menu with levels.
Oh shoot, I didn't add the trophies and stuff. And can go right here. Boop. Can I move you then? I can. I'm not adding in the right thing now. Need to add in finish.
Is there anything special you want from the grocery store? White sauce? Anime sauce?
And then I need to add the collectibles. Got there. Okay. I'm gonna put finish in collectibles. Does that break anything on level 1? No, because we didn't use finish for anything yet, so it should be fine. As well as putting it in collectibles. And then level 2. Ow. For level 2. Level 1. Okay. Can't save scene likely to be. Okay. Well, just let me. But it works fine. Does that fix it? Can I save it? Is there gonna be? What do you mean? It's because finish is still here. That one. And then let's reload. Did we get an error this time? Nope. Don't think we did. I don't like those errors, but they seem to fix themselves. Okay, why aren't those there? Hello? Why aren't you there?
A selection. Create a new scene with the root type of white note. Call it main. For some reason, I came up with an idea to generate a logo for our game using this old school website called Cool Text. What can possibly go wrong? I will quickly select the DJ template, change text to jump game, and outline color to orange. Click export and then click here to download it. Time to place it on our scene as the user interface. Type here level.
Left. Right.
That's the last one? Oh, great. Well, I'm gonna stop that there then, if that is indeed the last one. 24 viewers this stream. That's really cool. Peaking at 2 viewers. Average view duration, 1 minute and 19. 1 like, which I greatly appreciate. And plenty of progress on learning. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, the error was intended. Have a great day.
Tanaka